These days, learning about investments isn't easy as searching online. Starting on your path to successful investing might seem overwhelming, but there is no need to worry as millions of people have traveled the same road as they navigating booms and busts in every twist and turn. Investing can provide you with another source of income and get you out of a financial jam. It's a wise decision to let your money work for you. Whether you are an experienced investor or brand new to the investing world, picking what to invest in can be challenging. There are many to choose from, and some investments are better than others. To help you decide on what to invest, here's the top 10 investments in 2020 and 2021. But before we jump into all these details, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Number 10. Environmental, Social, and Governance Investing, ESG. ESG investing has become increasingly popular as more investors are realizing how it can help their portfolios and provide them with significant opportunities in growing areas such as clean energy, energy efficiency, and new technologies. Investing in companies that lead in environmental, social, and governance best practices is one of the strongest ways to help ensure long-term sustainable returns. ESG seeks both financial return and social environmental good to bring about social change. Between 2005 and 2018, there has been a 6.417% increase in ESG-based investing, and the upward trend is extended to continue in 2021. Number 9. S&P 500 Index Fund. If you want to achieve higher returns than more traditional banking products of bonds, a good alternative is an S&P 500 Index Fund. The S&P 500 is a stock market index comprising shares of 500 large industry-leading U.S. companies. It continues to be among the most popular index funds. S&P 500 funds offer a good return over time. Their drives field and about to low risk in stock investing gets in one of the best representations of the stock market as a whole. In addition, S&P index funds are perfect for hands-off investors. When you invest in this type of fund, you're initially investing in hundreds of stocks at once. You don't need to research which stocks you're investing in or worry about whether you should buy or sell partial investments. Because index funds are long-term investments, they work best when you leave them alone for as long as possible. All you have to do is invest your money, sit back, and let the fund do everything else. Number 8. Oil and gas. The oil and gas industry is undoubtedly one of the most profitable in the world. Oil and gas investments offer a wide range of benefits, making them an attractive part of any high net worth investor's portfolio. Investments in the oil and gas industry have always been regarded as a high return industry. The typically projected earnings from any investments in this industry normally runs from 5 to 10 times the initial amount invested. Though the risks are high, investments into this market continue to pour in mainly because of the alluring high returns of this sector. Number 7. Artificial Intelligence, AE. One of the best investments for 2021 is technology and artificial intelligence. AI-powered tech is already around us, with everyone from auto markets to tech giants to data security companies using it to boost their businesses. It offers companies a broad competitive and sustainable advantage in any of areas that it applies. So leaders around the world are increasingly convinced of the importance of investing in AI. With technology continually changing and innovating, this industry should remain a strong investment option. The benefits of AI range from improving customer service and experience, automating processes, reducing cost and time, boosting productivity, increasing sales, designing and evaluating the scope of marketing strategies, and improving decisions making, among many others. Number 6. Leisure and hospitality. Leisure and hospitality has been a hard-hit industry during this pandemic. With the world essentially shutting down, visitors were no longer flying the hotels, casinos, and theme parks. Businesses in these industries have suffered tremendous losses in 2020, but starting to come back this year. With the global major vacation operation underway, this brings positive hopes for many industries. As closer we become to lifting restriction measurements across the globe, people are going to be wasting no time at all in order to hit the skies and book holidays of short getaways for mid-late 2021. Although it is taking time to return to the new normal, which is going slower than expected, positive hopes and time is what is leading investors to look or jump into these stocks. Additionally, investors will certainly see these stocks perform and grow well in the year and the coming years. Number 5. Bank. A bank account is probably not on your list of hot investment ideas, but the various options a bank offers might fit some of your needs. Banks pay different interest rates on different accounts, and you typically earn more the longer you are willing to let your money sit. When you invest in a bank account, you can determine accurately the most of the money you will have at a specific date in the future. Bank accounts avoid market fluctuations that are typical of their investments. This certainly is an advantage when you need a specific amount of money within a short time frame, such as down payment on a house or if you need to preserve your capital for emergencies. Number 4. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you're a fan of the Wild West, cryptocurrency may be your investment of choice. This digital encrypted form of currency is the ultimate tug-of-war investment. Cryptocurrency became popular in the last decade, with Bitcoin becoming the leading digital currency. While there are differing options about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, this asset has catapulted in popularity and is gaining widespread demand from individual and institutional investors alike. If one thing is for sure, cryptocurrency is not going anyway and is rapidly becoming mainstream. As more businesses accept cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology that facilitates its operation, you may inevitably have to learn the dynamics of the crypto world and consider investing in it. Number 3. Gold. The world's favorite safe haven and has been a valuable commodity for centuries. This is during times of uncertainty, insecurity, economics or political upset, war and more, gold has always come out as number 1. Throughout recorded history, gold has been used as currency as a symbol of wealth and power. This long-standing value demonstrates the stability of gold and its attractiveness over time. Gold is considered by investors to be one of the safest investments and remains popular for a number of reasons. Liquidity, holds its value, hedge against inflation, universally desired investment, and its use and input in products. Investing in gold, it's not like buying stocks or bonds. You can take physical possession of gold by buying either gold coins or gold bullion. Number 2. Real estate. We all, to some extent, recognize the potential financial rewards we could obtain from a real estate investing. If you ever thought about investing in real estate, 2021 might be a good year to make a move. Yes, most real estate markets across the country have already had big moves. This year definitely looks promising for investors, and your real estate investments will earn you high returns. The real estate market and the housing conditions are in tip-top shape, and you can rest assured you will be making money if you invest in the right locations. It's a simple equation. If the economy is growing, the housing market will flourish and there will be an abundance of real estate opportunities to tap into across the country. Real estate is generally a great investment opinion. It also has many advantages. It appreciates in value, thus keeping up with inflation. It provides a higher return because of positive leverage, and it offers equally growth through debt reduction. Plus, real estate is a great way to invest without putting money into stock market. Number 1. Healthcare. Investing in healthcare is enticing. After all, everyone needs medical care at some point in their lives. Healthcare industry is rapidly transforming from curative to preventative. With the increasing disposable incomes and rising awareness levels in rural and urban area, investment opportunities in the healthcare sector have become very profitable. And when there's something that everyone needs, there's a huge opportunity for investors. A global pandemic that has infected millions of people and killed hundreds of thousands is naturally going to benefit the healthcare industries financially. With more and more people needing medical care, it makes sense that healthcare is at the forefront of our minds. So there you have it, the top 10 investments in 2020 and 2021. To enjoy a comfortable future, investing is absolutely essential for most people. It can be a great way to build in your wealth over time and can be surprisingly affordable even if you don't have a lot of money. With so many interesting opportunities out there, it's an exciting time to invest your money and continue your path to financial independence. What do you think of these investments? Let us know by commenting down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more updates.